Namaste everyone, this is Abhishek and today we're going to be unboxing the Mivi Collar Bluetooth Earphones. So let's jump into it. So this is how the box looks. It's a pretty premium looking packaging. This is the back of the packet. It says 10 hours of playtime, magnetic lock, noise cancellation, aptics codec, super solid bass, Bluetooth 4.1, yada yada yada. So let's dig into it. Okay. Open sesame. Now here it says the price is 4,999 rupees, but I got it for 3,000 bucks. Alright, here we go. This is how the device looks. Let's take it out. Man, these things are tight. Okay, so we have the user manual here, a couple of air tips. We just have the charging cable. So we just get three air tips. This is the larger one, I guess, the smaller one, and the one that's already there. Let's set all of these aside. So this is the headset. Now let's look at some of the other things about this earphone. As you can see, this is magnetic, so it snaps back like a necklace when you are not using it. It also can snuggle into the cavity out here. They are all magnetic. Here. It's magnetic and you won't even know that it's there. It's very light. This thing vibrates like anything. So if you have your phone in your pocket, or if it's in your bag and you don't hear your phone ringing, this will make sure that you know there's a call coming in. It vibrates so hard. There are clips here. As you can see, there are two clips on either side of the neckband. If you want to tidy up the wire because it's dangling too much, then you just simply pull it up this way and it becomes very neat this way. It's a combination of metal. The body is a combination of metal and plastic. Primarily it's plastic, but the tip of the neckband is made of metal so that it can house the magnetic earbuds. You'll be able to see there are two noise reduction mics on either side of the neckband right here. Here's the power button that can be used as a play and pause button for your music also, and there are a lot of other functions of this button also. On top of that, there is the micro USB charger. There you go. There's the charger. The other side, we have the volume button, the plus and minus button. This can also act as the next and the previous button if you're listening to music. The neckband as such is made of very cheap, rubbery, plasticky material. If you tug it too hard, I'm sure it's gonna rip apart. Simply. So is the wire. It's very thin. It looks very delicate to me. You would want to be very careful with it. It surely is not for rough use. However, the headphone is sweat proof and it can repel water to a certain extent. You obviously cannot dip this in water or go swimming with this and expect it not to conk off. That's not going to happen. But to a certain extent, it will keep it safe from water and sweat. So let's see if this device has any juice left in it. I'm gonna try to power it on. I believe we need to press it. Oh, it vibrates, and that's a strong vibration. Okay, you see the color blinking, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. Okay, there you go. It shows Mivi Collar. Let's connect it. Now it's pairing. There you go. The Mivi Collar is connected. And if I can focus this carefully, focus, here, if I can show it to you carefully, just beside the Bluetooth symbol there, it shows the amount of battery left. So let's go ahead and see how well this earphone really works. I'm a bass guy. I really love the thumping, punchy bass. Not sure if this earphone is going to deliver that. Okay, the pause and play button works. So my first impression is I tried listening to two songs out here. This earphone is not a bass heavy earphone as it claims to be. Now let's make a call and see what the sound quality of that call is like. Hello? Yeah. Hi, this is a test call. I'm calling you to test the new earphone. Let me know if I am clear. No, your voice is breaking in between. So is mine? Yeah. When it's not breaking, it's clear what you're saying, but again, there's a lot of breakage in between. You're hearing the same thing? Okay. Alright, well, yeah, thank you. I'll get back to you. Now, the call experience wasn't that great. Now, I could hear a lot of a lag in the voice of the other person. The other person heard the same thing from my side. It was like, someone stretching it, and it was like we are in the Matrix, I don't understand why we get that kind of a quality with this particular earphone, because this claims to have Bluetooth 4.1 and aptX codec technology. Now Bluetooth 4.1 is supposed to give you crystal clear audio quality, and when you top that with aptX, you're supposed to get quality that you would normally find with wired earphones. Right now I'm not even far away from the phone. It's like barely half a feet away from me. Not very impressed with the call quality. As far as listening to music goes, the lows are okay, the mids are pretty balanced, the highs are pretty sharp. Having said that, what I mean is like the bass is not that bassy after all. The mids where the bass and the trebles come in are pretty balanced. That's alright. Again, the highs, which is the trebles, basically are very high. It's a sharp and it kind of eats your eardrum. So for someone like me who is heavily into bass, I'm not pretty sure if I'm gonna continue using this earphone. However, if you're someone who does not like bass, you are more into the mids and the highs, perhaps you could give it a try. But again, I would certainly not recommend you this particular neckband. So that has been my first impression about the Mivi neckband Bluetooth earphone. And on that note, this is Abhishek. You've been watching Second Impression. Like and share the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you in the next one. And hey, don't forget to subscribe.